There's something exciting happening in the camera world again. Canon is quietly preparing to shake things up with its upcoming EOS R9. Every year, we see small steps forward in camera tech, but this time, it feels like Canon is about to make a bold move. The R9 isn't just another mid-range mirrorless camera. It feels like the kind of upgrade that gets people talking, testing, and wondering if it might be the next compact powerhouse. At first glance, the Canon EOS R9 looks familiar. It carries the same sleek, lightweight design that Canon mirrorless fans love. But when you take a closer look, everything feels sharper, faster, and more refined. Canon has reworked its design with improved grip comfort and better button layout, making it perfect for photographers who move quickly between stills and video. The body feels solid yet light, and that balance is exactly what makes this camera stand out. It feels like something you'd want to carry everywhere. Inside the R9, Canon is rumored to include a brand new sensor, a 32.5 MP APS-C sensor with improved low-light performance and faster readout speeds. That's where the excitement starts. Canon's sensors have always delivered beautiful colors and smooth skin tones, but this one could be the most efficient APS-C sensor they've ever made. It's expected to bring crisper detail, better noise control, and an overall boost to clarity, even when you push the ISO in darker environments. And then there's the autofocus. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is already one of the best in the business. The EOS R9 takes it further. It's expected to inherit much of the AI-powered autofocus technology seen in Canon's higher-end models. That means improved subject tracking, smarter recognition for faces, eyes, animals, cars, and even airplanes. Imagine focusing on a fast-moving subject and knowing the camera will lock on instantly. That's what Canon seems to be promising with the R9. Speed is another area where the EOS R9 could really surprise people. Canon is reportedly pushing for 20 to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, giving you the kind of burst performance that used to belong only to flagship models. That's huge for sports and wildlife shooters. Whether you're tracking a bird mid-flight or capturing a dancer's perfect motion, the R9 sounds like it will deliver that split-second precision that photographers crave. Video shooters also have something to get excited about. Canon has been working hard to close the gap between its mid-range and professional video offerings, and the R9 might just be the bridge. Early details point to 4K 60 recording without a heavy crop, with 10-bit internal recording and Canon Log3 for more dynamic range. That means smoother highlights, richer shadows, and more flexibility in post-production. This could be the perfect camera for creators who want cinematic footage without carrying bulky gear. The R9 is expected to handle heat management better too. One of the biggest issues with small cameras shooting high-quality 4K video has always been overheating. Canon's engineers seem to have reworked the thermal system, so the R9 can record longer without interruptions. If true, that would be a big win for vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters who switch between photo and video all day. Now, when we talk about image quality, Canon always delivers those warm, realistic tones that photographers love. But the R9 is rumored to bring a new image processor, the Digic X Gen 2, which could completely change the game. Faster processing means quicker buffering, better autofocus calculations, and improved color rendering. It also helps with rolling shutter control, which makes video and fast movement look smoother and more natural. Battery performance is another area Canon has improved quietly over time, and the R9 will likely continue that trend. A lot of creators now want cameras that can last through long shoots without constant charging. The new power management system and energy-efficient processor are expected to deliver a noticeable boost. Canon might also include USB-C PD charging, so you can power up while shooting, or even use the camera as a webcam for streaming and content creation. Speaking of streaming, Canon knows how important connectivity is in 2025. The R9 is rumored to feature Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, giving faster and more stable connections for wireless transfers. It should also support Canon's latest mobile app integration, allowing for remote shooting, live streaming, and cloud backup. It's the kind of camera that doesn't just capture moments, it keeps up with your workflow. When you pick up the R9, you'll likely notice that the viewfinder and LCD are both upgraded. Canon might use a 3.69mm EVF with higher refresh rates and a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen. That's perfect for vloggers and solo filmmakers. You can tilt, rotate, and frame yourself with precision. It's the little details like these that make shooting fun again. Another interesting rumor is that Canon might introduce new menu customization. The R9 could let you create your own function layout, giving quick access to your most used settings. For photographers who like efficiency, that's a big deal. It means less time fiddling through menus and more time shooting what matters. Canon has also been refining its color science with every generation. The R9's color accuracy is expected to match the more expensive R6 Mark II and even approach the R5's quality in some areas. Skin tones, sky gradients, and natural greens all look more organic, less digital. For creators who care about storytelling through visuals, this is what makes Canon cameras so special. Let's talk about stabilization. The R9 is expected to feature in-body image stabilization up to 7 stops. Combine that with Canon's stabilized RF lenses, and you can shoot handheld video that looks like it's on a gimbal. For travel vloggers and handheld shooters, this might be one of the biggest reasons to upgrade. Smooth, stable footage without extra gear, that's what makes shooting with Canon enjoyable. When you think about how far APS-C cameras have come, it's incredible. A few years ago, you needed a full-frame body for serious work. Now, cameras like the EOS R9 prove that compact gear can produce professional results. It's powerful yet approachable, and it's built for creators who want flexibility without compromise. One of the things that might surprise people is how Canon positions this camera in the market. It's rumored to sit just below the EOS R7 but above the R10. That means it could be perfect for hybrid users who want better video specs than the R10 but don't necessarily need the R7 size or price tag. It's the sweet spot, small enough to travel with, powerful enough for professional use. And let's be honest, the timing makes sense. The market is hungry for a new Canon body that balances price, performance, and portability. Sony and Fujifilm have been dominating the mid-range mirrorless segment lately, but Canon's R9 could easily steal back attention with the right combination of specs and design. If the rumored price lands around $1,499 to $1,699, it could become one of Canon's most popular cameras of 2025. That's a bold prediction, but the formula fits: compact body, strong specs, hybrid performance, and Canon's proven reliability. Canon's design philosophy has always been about refinement, not revolution. But with the R9, it feels like they're blending the best of both worlds. You get innovation wrapped in familiarity. A camera that feels instantly comfortable but performs like something new. Imagine holding it for the first time, that smooth shutter click, that crisp EVF, the way it instantly locks onto a subject's eye. Every small touch reminds you why Canon cameras are loved by so many professionals and creators. There's also a growing trend of cameras becoming content creation tools, not just photography tools. Canon seems fully aware of that. The R9 will likely come ready for vertical shooting, high-speed USB-C tethering, and direct live stream support. Whether you're a travel vlogger, documentary filmmaker, or just capturing family moments, it's shaping up to be a do-it-all camera. Another key point is lens compatibility. The R9 will use Canon's RF mount, which means access to a growing lineup of RF and RFS lenses. From compact primes to fast zooms, you can build your perfect setup easily. And Canon's lens ecosystem keeps expanding, giving shooters more creative freedom than ever before. When you think about what this camera represents, it's more than just another launch. It's a reminder of how far Canon's mirrorless system has evolved. From the first R series cameras to this new R9, every step has brought us closer to a world where small doesn't mean less powerful. If you're someone who's been waiting to upgrade from an older DSLR or EOS M system, the R9 might be your ideal NTRY point into Canon's RF world. It gives you next-gen autofocus, powerful video, modern design, and future-proof connectivity all in one. And yet, it doesn't try too hard. It's not a camera that screams for attention. It just works. It quietly delivers, and that's what makes it appealing. The next generation of Canon shooters might just begin here.